So I'm making another video today just so that I comfort both you and me. I feel like 2 videos is very apt for every day because one video is where we navigate through ourselves. We have candid conversations about who we are, and the second video is just support. So just because sometimes candid videos take up a lot of energy. It makes us feel down when we address difficult circumstances about us, difficult issues about us, difficult traits about us, not so pleasant side about us. It becomes a little tedious, it puts us down a little bit, right? So the second video is just to make us feel better, just to tell ourselves that it's just a simple validation video, just to make ourselves feel better, because we deserve to feel uplifted and we deserve to be okay. So yeah, let's just take a deep breath. Let's start with a deep breath. And today happens to be Women's Day. So all the women watching and anybody who identifies as a woman, happy Women's Day. Let's take a deep breath together and let's just be in this moment with each other. Okay. Let's start. Let's take another deep breath. You are in this space with me. You are in this moment with me. No matter what is going on in your life, no matter all the things that is putting you down, you deserve to be here. I am happy you're here. And I'm so glad you're here with me. Let us take baby steps. Let us figure out slowly how we can navigate through things. If you're feeling scared, if you're feeling uneasy, if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling exhausted, let's take a moment to just harness the energy that is around us and just make ourselves feel better. If your heartbeat is beating really fast, let's take another deep breath and let's just slowly settle down. Take a deep breath with me. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of kindness. You are worthy of affection. You are worthy of everything that is good. And kindness and good things cannot be demanded. It will come to you when you give space for it to come to you. How do you give space for it, for good things to come to your life? You practice gratitude. You allow it to grow. If you're feeling toxic, if you're feeling unhealthy, if you're feeling like not a good person, if you've done some stuff which is not okay, it's fine, it's okay. How we need to look at it is, it's a garden full of weeds. We need to clean out the weeds. We need to take out all the garbage. We need to make some room for plants to grow. And when we make some room, beautiful plants grow. So let's just treat our body, our mind, our soul with good things. Let's just give in good things and nourish the things around us so it becomes better and more good things come our way. And if you slip up, it's okay. If you thought you were good but then one fine day you ended up being not so good, it's okay. I know you're scared. I know you feel lonely. I know it's a difficult journey to process and to figure out, but I'm here with you. You're there with me. Even through these videos, even through the internet, we are still together. Even if we can't physically touch or feel each other, we are still together. We can still be better human beings. We can still be better. All we need to do is be kind to ourselves. And if your body, if your mind tells you you're scared, just treat yourself really well. Treat yourself with kindness, with affection, with joy, with love. We're gonna be okay. Be nice to yourself. Do the things you can today. Be gentle, be warm, be loving, be kind. We will get through this journey. I know it's not an easy one, but we can get through it. Show yourself some kindness today. Be kind in your words and in your actions towards yourself. If you feel a lot of hatred towards yourself, just give yourself a chance to feel. Tell yourself, no, I'm not going to put myself down. No, I'm going to be nice to myself. I'm going to tell myself, it's okay. I know things are not okay right now. It's okay. I love you. You are worthy. You're going to be okay. We are going to be okay. You and me. I hope you listen to your mind and your body and you do what enriches you, do what fulfills you. Everything good is coming your way. Don't you worry about it. Everything great is coming your way. Take it one step at a time and you're going to be okay. Take care of yourself.